What's up everybody, welcome back to a new video. This is another other brands video. I cut a few things from this new brand that I came across. It was either on Facebook or Instagram. I just seen their ads and I was like, I like their stuff. I like the way it looked, kind of different. And I'll show you what I mean once I open these packages up. And I got something from IceCream. Yeah, I had to cop this item from IceCream. I came across it again, just scrolling through social media, seeing an ad. I'm like, oh shit, how much is that? Cheap. So I caught. So yeah, we're gonna get right to the video. But before we begin, please like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate everything if y'all can do that. YouTube been on some weird shit. I got a message from them saying they got some stuff going on, like views, likes, dislike, all that shit. Like it been kind of messed up, and I noticed it in my couple of videos, like two or three of my videos haven't been getting the normal amount of views or likes that I would normally get. So I'm just trying to figure out when the hell YouTube gonna fix it, because it's really screwing up my analytics. I'm still gonna shoot this video and I'm still gonna release it for y'all this Sunday, which is today that y'all gonna get it. So I'm still gonna do that for y'all, but yeah, let's just get to the unboxing and I'm gonna show you what all I got. Also follow me on Instagram at mac11.exe if y'all wanna follow me down below. Link will be in the description down below. So let's get right to the unboxing. I'm like, again, I'm new to this. I just seen it and I thought this stuff was so damn dope. So we're gonna get right into it. I like the packaging. Packaging goes a long way with me because it tells me everything I need to know about the brand and how they really care about their products to present to us, customers / buyers. But anyway, let me get this little ribbon off, and it came with a little note, I think. It's probably my receipt. Got a sticker with this. Come on, baby. There we go. Got that. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. You know, this remind me of the way I'm opening this, like, you know, a butcher shop, they put your, like, the meat that you want inside the, like, inside this kind of, like, paper. This will remind me of, like, a butcher. So, all right, the first thing that I got these socks. These socks are so fire to me when I seen them. These socks are so hard, and they called the Hellcat. And I was wearing my human-made socks the other week, and I was like, man, I like the way, like this fit that I got and the way it looks. So, and I'm like, let me just cop some more socks with some graphics on it and just, you know, compliment my outfit even more, give people more to look at, like little subtle things. So it got some cats on there called Hellcat. I've been looking at this brand for like about a week, just looking at their products. And I was thinking, I'm like, they got a really interesting take on the way they design. I believe the guy, like, he draws it all out and then color it in by hand and do his whole like thing with that. And I thought it was really cool the way they design their stuff, and I really appreciate the way they do it. Also, it had like this modern Americana feel to it. That's the best way I can describe it. I may be wrong, but that's what I get when I look at it. So I got these socks as well. It looked like Mickey Mouse, but it's like a dead mouse on it. Oh shit. And I thought it was really cool. So I had caught both of these socks. These socks were just so hard to me. I thought it was just really, really, really cool. I'm trying to switch up my style and try some, like, not some more different than I would normally do, because I've just been, you know, just simple type streetwear fits. But now with these socks, I'm just trying to change up my wardrobe and my style a little bit more. So I had to cop these socks, and I will be copying a lot more socks moving forward. Again, I feel like socks really do help complement your outfit depending on how you style yourself. So that's one package from them, and I got a second package from them, which I'm so excited to open because I've been waiting to open this package for like a week already. Man, these shirts, I seen them, I'm like, these designs are so dope. And again, I will be copying a lot more stuff from this brand, because I've seen some other tees that I like. So hopefully you all will like them too. And I feel like the reason why I like this brand, because it reminds me of like the old, like just that old, like vintage Americana. But all right, we're gonna open up the tee. Oh, ooh, that's quality. I ain't even really look at it yet, but oh. All right, so we're gonna go with this one. I can tell you already, these t-shirts are really, really comfortable. Like, well, soft. So this one of the tees that I got on here, and it says hot sauce. It says hot sauce on the front, and I just thought it was like really funny the way they designed, this. And I just thought it was really, really cool and different. And again, this is like just original art. Dude drew it up himself, painted it himself, and just scanned it in, and boom, there you go. So I had to cop this shirt because I thought it was different and and pretty cool, because I know I've been copping a lot of human made stuff and things like that, but I'm not gonna be wearing human made all the time. That's why I've been buying like the other brands to show you all to look at, and maybe I may like it, I don't know. But again, this shirt is so dope to me. It just says hot sauce and a little devil dude riding a bike. So sick shirt, sick shirt. All right, so that, and it's really like soft. What is it made of? I'm gonna do have the material. Nope, I'm pretty sure it's 100% cotton. I'll just say that for now. And I paid $68 for this. I think I got like on a sale if I'm not mistaken. But this one shirt down and the second shirt, this the shirt that really made me like want to cop from this brand. I was like, this is really sick, the way they designed this. So we're gonna get into this second shirt, and it's really thin and light, but not too thin. So on this one, it says the Lucky Devil. Let me get this tag out y'all way. So it says the Lucky Devil on here. And I just thought it was just so sick, man. This was so sick. And I already know what I could wear with this and some shoes that I want. I already got an idea what I'm gonna be doing with this shirt when I get the fits and things together. So yeah, that's it for this one. And we're gonna get into the last, oh my God, this is really soft, y'all. Yeah, this is really soft. And I highly encourage, if you like these kind of designs, I highly encourage you all to like check them out. And I think I got this all in large, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got this in a large. So that's it for that one. So for the last thing to unbox would be from IceCream. So let me get me some scissors. Quick story time while I'm going to open this. So I just left my mom and dad's house. They would talk about my video because they be watching them, which is kind of weird. But my dad is always on YouTube, so he said he be watching my videos, and he just talking to me about my videos and things like that. So he was all like, "Boy, why you gotta keep on cussing your videos? You video good without the cussing because you already entertaining." I'm like, "Dad, I can't help it, bruh. Like I can't help it." But I'm gonna try to train myself. I'm gonna try my best to cut down on like the heavy profanity, because again, my mom and dad be watching it. They was over. I was at their house and like, bro, why you keep on cussing? Why you keep cussing? I can't help it when I'm talking to my people, which is my subscribers. I can't help it, mom, dad. Jeez. But I got this open. Let me show y'all what is in this bag. Woo! It's going right next to these bad boys that's behind me. So I can get this open. So what I got right here is the IceCream running dog. Is it a dog or the fox? I can't never keep up. But yeah, I had to cop this little pillow. How much did I pay? I ain't paid too much. Actually I did though. But I used a discount code. So I paid $84 for this. I got an $8 discount on this. Yeah, I had to cop this IceCream dog. But yeah, this is so sick. Got the white and red stripes and black down the middle. And my homie Bam like, bruh, he was asking me, I had like, yo, you like these pillows? He's like, yeah, I like them, but why they gotta be white? I'm like, bruh, that's just how they come. So I finally got me a black pillow, so I'm pretty sure Bam will like this one. So yeah, this will be going on the sofa as well. So I'm gonna put it between, I'm putting in the middle of the sofa while I keep the human made pillow like on the ends. Yeah, this is like it's a dope ass pillow, man. This is a dope pillow, good material. And yeah, can't go wrong with it. They come with a sticker on here too. Also, I'm gonna tell y'all something. If you buy this is a sticker. Just peel it off. It should be a sticker. Yep, it's a sticker. So yeah, if you ever buy something I'm about to say human made. If you buy something for IceCream, be sure to pull this off. Let me see the material it's made out of, because it's kind of like soft and silky. It is 100% polyester, cold wash, if you decide to wash this. So again, dopey dope IceCream pillow. So I think I need to slow down on pillows, because I already seen Human Made. They got another pillow coming out. It's like a regular like square pillow that says Human Made in it. I seen it on Nigo's story. Like it was in the background with some other stuff, because I seen some fire. My boy Crescendo sent me a screenshot of one of Nigo's story, and it had like this jean jacket, like a cream jean jacket, I believe, with that Civic cat on the back of it. So if that's dropping, oh my Lord. You can believe I don't care how much money I got in my bank account. If I overdraft in my bank account, I'm copping that damn jacket. But that's the end of the video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the pickups. Also, drop a comment down below if you made it to the end. Just write, I made it to the end. Again, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on IG. Down below will be my link to my IG page I want to follow. just chop it up with your boy. That's all you need to do. But anyway, I'm out. I gotta edit this video. Maybe shoot another video. I may shoot another video. But anyway, I'm out. Y'all have a nice one. Peace.